What do you feel is a decent amount to spend on the first date?
Oh, I don't think it matters.
What? You don't think it matters?
No.
The internet is going to come for you heavily for this.
I think these girls that feel like the date that they take you on defines the man that they chose, they're full of crap. It's absolute BS. I think that it's a woman that's looking for the bigger, better deal, that has the audacity to say, I can't believe you want to bring me to the Cheesecake Factory. A lot of these dating scammers that literally go on a date every night just to be able to eat something, you're lucky you're eating tonight because you probably can't afford to do it yourself. These men don't give money, they give bags these days, and you can't eat that. So be grateful that you got some food, and be grateful that a man put in enough effort to take you somewhere. And that's the problem. I personally feel like that's the problem with today's day and age. Like, a lot of men are becoming lazy in dating. They're becoming lazy in the pursuit because there's no appreciation for what they do. And now women have these super high entitlement level thoughts that they deserve to be brought to freaking Bora Bora on their first date. And it's like, who are you to even ask for that? What value have you brought to that man? It's audacity. It's the audacity for me.
Audacity for me.
And on top of that, you should want to be friends with the person that you're choosing anyway. If I don't like you, I'm not going on a trip with you. I'm sorry, but Instagram photos on, no. Homegirl, be grateful that that man put in some effort. And you know what? The more appreciation that you choose, the better treatment you'll get.
Bar.
That's what I think.
Bars.
I don't think the amount of money matters. I think that just do something that you like. If that man likes you, you like to go, take me salsa dancing. It's free on Wednesday nights before 10 o'clock. And then it's $10 to get in. And I would love that. Buy me a bottle of water because it does get hot and I do sweat, you know, or let's go for a walk in the park. Or let's sit in a car and eat ice cream and talk about aliens, you know, like whatever it may be. But that's because are you out here just trying to go on nice dates, or are you out here trying to get to know a person for partnership in life?
I wish I could just microphone drop.
I'm serious.
You went off. I'm just over here.
I'm just frustrated.
I know you saw how I was looking at you. I was just like, she's just going off.
I'm frustrated because women are ruining good men by acting like they deserve more than they do.
Damn.
A lot of these women out here really don't have nothing coming.
Damn. How do you, okay. Well, Jesus Christ.
At least that was a straight answer.
Right.
We didn't dance around that one.
Yo, this lady, I'm not even sure what her name is, but she be dropping some bars, man. I would say that I don't think that women really like guys, especially most of the women that she's speaking about. I don't think that they like men. And I would say the majority of those women that think and move like that are the reason why, what she said, these guys are getting lazy with dating. It's like, yo, bro, I'm good. And I'll just rather have casual sex and just hook up rather than to actually pursue somebody, because most of them are out for one thing. That's to get money, whether it be a date or a certain type of lifestyle out of it. So I'm just gonna opt out it all together. Yeah. And to be honest with you, I don't really see an issue with guys that are going that way. What are your thoughts on these young ladies that's out here dating for dating scams?
On social media. I like such an old person saying that, but I really do. I mean, because not everyone, but most women take on that social media mindset of, oh, you gotta pay for my nails, you gotta pay for my hair, this, that, and then he take me out, I gotta go to the nicest restaurant. I disagree with that, all of that. I mean, I understand if the man wants to take care of your nails and he wants to take care of your hair, okay, that's his choice, don't care. But the whole ordeal about where you go doesn't matter. If you really like this person, you're going to want to spend time with them, be around them, be in their personal bubble. So I don't think it really matters where you go. I mean, what she said, get ice cream and then sit in the car and talk about aliens. I did that about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, hey, shout out to this young lady, man, because that's how you really build like a real friendship.
Yes, you know the foundation that you need for a relationship.
And you get more out of those people when it's real, when it's authentic. But when you go into it, you know, seeking Birkin bags and decent dates or whatever, then that's pretty much all you get. That's low-hanging fruit. I don't understand why in the world do people think that that's a win? Like, most of those people, you're gonna use them, they're gonna use you, and then when it's all said and done, both of y'all can go y'all separate ways, and you just wasted 8, 9, 10 months or a year or two, because again, you're going after low-hanging fruit.
Exactly.
Crazy.
Appreciate or value what you guys do together outside of spending intimate time together sexually. It doesn't make any sense.
But yeah, y'all drop it down in the comments. Y'all let me know, what are you guys' thoughts on the situation. Man, again, shout out to old girl. She be cooking. I'm about to go check out some more of her clips. But anyway, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.